SMM Hub welcome you all. This is user guide step by step. These are the simple 4 steps to use this platform. So I will walk you through with the very simple steps. So let's begin with the step 1. So the step 1 is to register and log in to this website. So you will come to this website. The URL is smmhub.live. Once you come to this screen, you can read more about us. You can click on services to read the services which we have, like TikTok. You can have followers, 1000 followers in only $2.5 and so on. Then you can see our all other services as well. So let's come back to the home screen where you can start to register. So once you come to this website, you will click on free sign up. Once you click on the free sign up, you need to fill this form to register. So I will register as a test user. Okay, then you need to check on this checkbox that you are not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. So once you log in, it will bring you to the dashboard, and I will explain you in the next video, but this is the simple registration and login procedure. So here you can see your more options. So let's come back to the step 2. So the step 2 is to add funds, that you want to use this platform and you want to grow your social media. So how you can start with? So you will come back to your dashboard where you log in, and here you can see that you do not have a balance to order services or you do not have any transactions. So from the top menu, you can click on the add funds. You can click on add funds. So you will have 2 options to add the funds to this system. Either you can use the USDT cryptocurrency, and it's a simple step that you can click here the amount you want to deposit. You will write, let's say the minimum is $10. You will check is accepting $10. You will click on pay now, and once you click the pay now, it will tell you the address where you need to transfer the funds. Either you can manually transfer and open a ticket. You need to, if you use the cryptocurrency, you need to open a ticket after transaction, and the minimum amount should be $10. And you can contact us via our live chat, or open a ticket or WhatsApp, anything, which and then your funds will be added into 1 to 24 hours. This is one of the options. So if you want like straightforward, you do not want to use the cryptocurrency, so you can use the credit card options or PayPal. You can say credit card or debit card. So you want to deposit $10, you will write the $10. It will tell you, only 2 cents is charges. You will click on pay now. Once you click to the pay now, it will bring you to this option that either you want to pay from PayPal or you want to use your debit or credit card. This service is from PayPal, so it's very secure to use it. You can write your card details and then simply you can pay. Once you pay, the admin will receive a notification directly, and it will accept it within 1 to 24 hours, and your funds will be added into the system. So let's talk about to this service, that now you have already funds into your account and you want to use this as a service. So let's walk back to your dashboard. Once you come to your dashboard, it will show that your balance have been added. So now you have $10 which you deposited. So I deposited via cryptocurrency. Okay, so your $10 are being showing. You have 1 transactions. So how you can select the services and you can put an order. So you directly come to the order drop down menu and you click on the new order. Here you select the service you want. Let's say you want a TikTok service, and you want followers. So here you need to write your URL, and you need to select the quantity you want. So let's say I want 1000, and then you click to this, yes, I confirm the order, and you click on the place order. So here I fill this form you need to fill this information correctly as you want, and then you place an order. So once you place an order, and then you will see here to your all orders that you have placed this order with all the information. So it will take like 1 to 2 hours to start. Once it start, you can see the status here, and that's how simple it is. And that's it. You can enjoy your services. But I will tell you one thing very important, that once you register, you can come back to your portal, and here you have an option called My Referrals. So My Referral, you can take this link as a referral code, and then you can share it with your friends or your social media to refer others. So once you referred and they joined, and then they add a funds, so every time they add a funds, you will have 5% bonus. And once they refer as a second level, so then still you will have 2.5% indirect commission, or you can say a referral bonus. So the referral bonuses will be automatically will be added into your balance, and that's how you can use the services on your referrals only. So if you refer, your balance will be keep adding, and that's how you can use your referral bonuses and you can place in orders. So hope you guys understand the whole process. If you have any questions or anything, you can contact us on our support. So the support is here. Once you come to this website, here you have a live chat support. You can write your questions, and we will contact you back with all the answers you need. Or you can open a ticket. You can come back to the dashboard, and if you have any questions or any query, so you can open a ticket. You can come back to the open screen. You can write your details or the question or any suggestions, anything you have related to this SMM hub that you want to talk to us. So you can open a ticket, and within 1 to 24 hours you will have an response from us. Hope you guys you enjoyed this tutorial, and enjoy your